Hey guys, I've got another box reveal for you for Boxycharm. Now, this is for new members if you sign up in April, or it's for current members and you could pick it up in the charm room, but unfortunately you cannot use your charms to get it. But it is for existing charmers and for anyone that signs up with Boxycharm in April. Now, guys, I think there's a couple of different variations of this box, so I believe this is just one of them, or this is a box and I've got the variations here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's going to be in this box. Okay, so for the first item, it's going to be the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Now, guys, I have never tried this. I heard it's really good. But anyways, let's keep going. The second thing is a Laura Geller Glow Drops. Now, he's showing two different shades here. So there might be two different shade variations in that. And then the third thing is a Kat Von D lipstick. You will also get, I'm not exactly sure, the shade is not specified on that either. Now the fourth item is going to be one of these three. So I'm about to show you three different products, but only one of them will be in your box. So these are variation products. The first one is the Tatcha face masks. Now that's going to be with a set of two. And then the second thing is the Wander Beauty gold eye masks. And then the third thing is the Tula sheet masks. Now there are different kinds of those, but I'm assuming it's the bright all night Tula sheet mask because that's the ones they did put out with the Boxycharm box earlier on, I believe last year, or it could have been this year, I'm not sure. But there are different ones of those, but I'm pretty sure it's the bright all night. Now, the fifth item is another variation product, so it's going to be one of two things. You're either going to be getting the Bang Beauty Gel Liner or the Pretty Vulgar Gel Liner. Now, I could tell you that Pretty Vulgar is my favorite out of these two items, but Bang Beauty has got the chocolate gel eyeliner, and I love using that for light looks. So either one of those would be perfect for me. But again, guys, existing charmers, yes, you can get this box. It will be in the charm room, but you can't use your charms for it. But again, for the new charmers, if you sign up in April, this is the box you're going to be getting. And the fourth and fifth items, again, those are going to be variation products. So it'll be one of those that you will be getting in your box, but you will get 5 items in that box. So for those of you that have never heard of Boxycharm or don't know much about it, it is a monthly beauty subscription. For $21 a month, you'll get 5 full-sized or deluxe sample-sized items, and let me tell you, most time it's going to be full-sized. I've only seen them put the deluxe sample size in just a couple of boxes. Now, this box is going to be worth over $100, and there is an upgrade option. The upgraded option is to go to Boxyluxe. Now, this box is $49.99, and this is every 3 months, so this don't come out monthly. And this is going to have over double of what the regular Boxycharm has in it. And this is going to be worth over $300, and it's supposed to be all luxury items. Now, again, I have seen them put Morphe in this box, so I'm not sure if it's still supposed to be just luxury items or if they've changed that or what. But it's still a really good option. And Boxycharm is going to be linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. I do spoilers time they come out. So just to make sure you're getting your spoilers, make sure that bell is on. And guys, another thing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Give me a like. It lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my videos. And make sure you subscribe and join my online family, guys. I would love to have you. So, guys, that is it for this video. And I love you so, so much. And I will see you in the next one.